Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GNUS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's monster move, definitely some updates here need to be done. So first thing I'm going to do is actually just get rid of these lines. Sure, those levels still pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible going forward. So one of the newest areas of support, and what I would call the ideal level, when we say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? And that would be if the price could say up above 70 cents. With that being said, I'm not saying that if the price falls below 70, then that implies the entire chart's destroyed or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above that level moving forward, that would certainly be a great sign of power, great sign of momentum. Now, taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes on, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move. That right there being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you must visualize that, that is what has been represented. Again, yeah, staying above 70 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, pretty straightforward here. It's all about that psychological level right there at the dollar mark. You can see on 3 separate occasions, once, twice, third time. Price tried to get it above that level, but just couldn't quite do it. So I'm not saying that the price can never get up above $1. I'm just saying that it's become very clear now, according to the story that's being told to us here via the chart, that the price is going to have to really bring its A game if it's not, if it's going to be able to not only break above $1, but then stay up above it. But all in all, monster volume today, big price movement. So let's see how this one closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.